And I'll give Mr. Navarro a call and I'll let him know exactly what happened.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
May I have a minute, Judge?
Mhm.
Mr. Pine, is your client, Mr. Falcon, is he there with you?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave. He just doesn't have a computer, so he's gonna use mine. I'm gonna let him deal with it, okay?
Okay, Mr. Pine, thank you, appreciate that.
All right.
Okay.
In cause number 2020-0D01247, State of Texas versus Isidro Falcon Jr. Announcement of council, please.
That's going to be Mr. Vandenberg's case.
Paul Russell for adult probation.
Good morning. What's the page is this, Mr. Marufo?
It's on my page 15, Falcon.
Falcon, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, David Vandenberg for the state. The state is ready.
Mr. Falcon is appearing remotely. I did receive communication from Mr. Russell. Mr. Russell, I'm not sure if you announced.
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry. Paul Russell for adult probation, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Falcon, I received notification from probation that you were dropped from treatment and that you've been drinking. You were placed on 10 years deferred on February 2nd, 2023. Let me see. Okay. Have we gotten that TAP appointment yet?
No, Judge, it's still pending. The TAP appointment's still pending, Judge. But with Judge, we did, he's back into treatment of sex offender therapy. So, Judge, on, let me just go back a little bit. On 9/4/23, Mr. Falcon was dropped from sex offender treatment for due to drinking in August and also for not taking the instant offense polygraph. Because he was denying the offense from the very beginning when he started treatment back in April.
Mr. Russell, it's a little muddled. Can you speak either slower and maybe a little louder?
Okay, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry about that. So he was dropped from treatment, Your Honor. And either way, he was made to take an instant offense polygraph. And he took it back on November 17th of this year, Your Honor. Either way, he did admit to, doing the offense and stuff like that. So I told Ms. Regalao, Ms. Regalao was made aware of the situation. So she told him to come back to treatment. He just started treatment back on Monday of this week. And then, Your Honor, we're also gonna kind of help him pay for treatment for 3 months, the department, to help, because Mr. Falcon recently got his own place to live. He moved out of his son's house. And so he's having a bit of financial difficulties and stuff like that. So that's where we're at. And then, Your Honor, we're still waiting on the TAP appointment. We should hopefully have it in the next couple of weeks, and to get him assessed for that alcohol. The reason why he drank alcohol was I guess he was moving from his son's house out there to like on the Agua Dulce area to an RV thing. He said that they were setting up the RV and all that, but there was no water out there. So he decided to drink a beer because there was no water. And I told him, sir, that doesn't make no sense.
All right. Is he working, Mr. Falcon? Are you working?
No.
Then you're going to give me a 15-day jail commitment, and you're going to turn yourself in tomorrow. Upon release, Mr. Russell, I want him modified. He is going to obtain an alcohol monitor. He's going to be tested 3 times a day. That alcohol monitor will be a portable monitoring unit with GPS capabilities.
Yes, ma'am.
And daily reporting.
Yes, ma'am.
All righty. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
I want you to let me know when we get that TAP appointment scheduled, and then we'll
Yes,
do
Your
it in 60 days.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
May I be excused?
You may. Who's next?
Top of page 16, Judge. In cause number 2023-0D02877, State of Texas versus Alejandro Mario Trillo. Announcement of council, please.
And Tyler, take it for the state. The state is ready.
Rick Huffman on behalf of Mr. Trillo, we are ready.
Ms. Maruf, can you make me a co-host, or would you please remove Mr. Falcon?
Yes, Judge.
I'm done.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Let's see. Is Mr. Trio here? Is he in custody? Is he here?
Yes, Judge, he's still attempting to connect.
Okay, well, we can't start until he connects.